to find the area of a triangle. Now, in order to do that, we need to determine the base and the height of the triangle, because as we know, the area of a triangle is determined by multiplying 1/2 of the base, 1/2 times the base times the height. Looking at how this triangle is drawn, your natural reaction would be to make this 18 the base because it is on the bottom of the triangle. However, because of the way this triangle is oriented, that 18 is not actually our base. Instead, this 22 is going to be our base, even though it's not on the bottom of the triangle. That is because this 17, which makes a perpendicular with that side, is going to be the height of our triangle. We need to look for that right angle. That will tell us where the base and the height are meeting at that right angle and determining who's going to take each position in the formula. So substituting in those numbers, we have 1/2 times our base, which is 22, times our height, which is 17. You can take either half of the total, so we can do that multiplication. We could take half of the 22, or we could take half of the 17. I'm going to just take half of the 22 since they're right next to each other, and that's going to give me 11 times 17, or an area of 187. Now, because we do not have units attached to any of these numbers, we just use the general U, and we square that U to represent square units, the required units for area.